We can come to the next sound, E. So E, as you can say in Hindi or in English, like EA, like in beat. Okay. So whenever you see E or Y, as I told you, they are similar. So you have to pronounce it like E. Some examples: C, say E, C. Sir, as we have just learned, say becomes sir, C. Me, P, P Y is pronounced P. Ja, so pyjama. Okay, so these are some of the examples with E and Y. The next sound is U. So in English you can see there is a sound which we make with double O, but in French we make it with OU. Okay, so OU without any accent, but here you can see with accent grave, OU, then OUT, because at the end of word normally all the consonants remain silent. So OUT, OUX, so these are pronounced U. Okay, and then I will just come later for this sound also. Okay, so U, U, O U, U, O U. That means or, as the word or, which means which is for the comparison of two words, or when you have with accent, O U means where, WHERE. Okay, where. U, P O U, poo, or P O U X, poo also, and then this sound O U E. So UE. So but we pronounce it like we. It is completely same, exactly the same sound as the word we. Okay. So we. This is also a word itself, which means yes. We means yes.